ARCO Murray was founded about 20 years ago by Brad Daniker, and we started with the mentality of building a better way. We believe to our core that a part of our business is treating people fairly and doing the right thing. But in addition to that, we are committed to that design build process. We are committed to building in a way that may not be as easily understood up front for clients and people as a part of the process, because it's not the traditional way of doing things. But once people understand it and go through it for the first time, they never want to do it a different way again. And that's difficult at the beginning sometimes, but that work you put in at the front end always pays off in the long run. So what we look for when we make these investments on the venture side is something that will positively impact the operating business of ARCO Murray National Construction. So when we're evaluating this, we have a scorecard that's built out that focuses on a few different things: the founder and the people behind the business, the product market fit, is there an opportunity to invest, all of those things that you would typically think about in a venture capital endeavor. But we also have this added layer of, is there a strategic opportunity where this product is heading in the right direction and we can help steer it to a more scalable version of what it is. So we partner with these firms like Ecomedes, identifying that Ecomedes or any other venture that we invest in can do something really impactful on our business and businesses like ours. And there are hundreds or even thousands of general contractors out there that when we determine something's helpful for us, we have a pretty good idea of who else it's helpful for, not just for GCs, but also for subcontractors and architects and engineers. Being a design builder, we have that wide view of the way things are done.
How do you compare apples to apples quickly? So if a client is looking for something basic versus maybe something more enhanced or something more environmentally friendly or whatever attribute that is important on that job, how do you see that quickly across products? And so I think Ecomedes is helpful because everything is, one, easy to get to, and two, like it's a nice direct comparison versus when you get each manufacturer's data, they may present it in a slightly different manner. So there's this time lost in translation of one, finding it, and then two, making it just the same across the board so you can make that educated decision.
What we saw in Ecomedes when we were evaluating and considering an investment and a partnership, I mean, first and foremost, we saw easy product selection. It's really hard to narrow down which products you should use on a job. They provide a tool that aggregates data from manufacturers that makes it easier for us to select the right product. And in addition to that, they're building it in a way that allows us to brand that experience from the ARCO Murray perspective. Because one thing that's difficult to do is to take all of these tools that one uses to build a building or design a building and package it up in a nice way so that a client isn't looking in 50 different places to make decisions on what they need to decide on. And as a design builder, we take pride in centralizing that decision making. And then the nature of their work being more mission driven around ESG and around improving our ability to build buildings more sustainably and more in a more environmentally friendly way is really compelling to us. We know that that's something that's necessary for our industry, and the easier we can make that for everyone, the better. So not only are they a good product that makes it easier for us to do our jobs, but they're a good product for the industry to do things a better way.